Number 1. 1992 Ford F250. Price $5,995. It features a classic off-white exterior paired with a blue interior, giving it a timeless look. Under the hood, it is powered by a robust 7.5L 460 gasoline engine, delivering strong performance, and is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission. As a 2WD model, it provides a comfortable and reliable driving experience. Despite being over 30 years old, this truck runs and drives exceptionally well, showcasing its durability and solid engineering. While the odometer is non-functional, the truck remains in great mechanical condition. It comes with a clean title, ensuring peace of mind for the next owner. Additionally, the fender badges and moldings have been removed, giving it a sleek and simplified appearance. Number 2. 1988 GMC 2500. Price $9,950. With 154,800 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 6.2-liter diesel engine, it is paired with a smooth automatic transmission and a dependable 4x4 system, making it capable both on and off the road. The exterior is finished in classic white, while the interior features a clean and well-maintained tan color scheme. It runs flawlessly, thanks to a recent tune-up and several brand-new components. It has less than 50 miles on a brand-new set of tires, providing excellent traction and durability. Additionally, a new fuel tank and fuel pump have been installed. To enhance reliability, 2 brand-new batteries have been added, guaranteeing strong and consistent starts, and a fresh oil change has just been completed. With a clean and clear title in hand, this 1988 GMC 2500 is ready for its next owner. Number 3. 1978 GMC Sierra 1500. Price $10,000. With 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle features an automatic transmission and a powerful 350 engine equipped with a cam, headers, a high-rise intake manifold, and a 4-barrel carburetor. The truck is painted in a striking blue exterior, complemented by a sleek black interior. It comes with a 350 turbo automatic transmission and 4x4 locking hubs, making it a solid choice for both on-road and off-road driving. Several new components have been installed, including a brake booster and master cylinder, an alternator, and a starter. The air conditioning system is complete but requires final installation. Additionally, the truck has been lifted, enhancing its rugged stance. Inside, it offers electric windows, fully functional gauges, and working lights. This Sierra 1500 runs and drives well, providing a reliable and enjoyable driving experience. It comes with a clean title, making it a great choice for enthusiasts looking for a classic, powerful pickup. Number 4. 1995 Ford F150. Price $7,900. Featuring a clean title and low original mileage of just over 115,000 miles. With only 2 previous owners, it has been meticulously maintained and garage-kept, preserving its like-new appearance. The truck is powered by a reliable 4.9L inline-6 engine and runs great. It comes with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a white exterior paired with a blue interior, giving it a timeless and classic look. The tires still have good tread left, ensuring a smooth ride. Additionally, it features a bed liner, adding to its practicality. Likely one of the cleanest examples of this model year, this Ford F150 is a well-preserved classic that continues to stand the test of time. Number 5. 1990 Chevrolet 1500. Price $8,300. With 240,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a green exterior with a gray interior. Powered by a 5.3L V8 engine, it has received several recent upgrades, including a new alternator, radiator, and a refreshed front end. The tires are in great shape, with about 80% tread remaining, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. In addition to mechanical improvements, the truck features new taillights and a properly installed double-DIN stereo system with new speakers for an upgraded audio experience. Though it is being sold reluctantly, it remains in excellent condition and ready for its next owner. Number 6. 1981 GMC K30. Price $9,200. It has traveled 120,000 miles. It features a manual transmission and runs on gasoline. Both the exterior and interior are finished in black, giving it a bold and timeless look. Under the hood, this truck is powered by a robust 454 cubic inch engine paired with a 4-speed transmission and an NP205 transfer case. It is equipped with a Dana 60 front axle and a 14-bolt rear axle, believed to have either 4.10 or 4.56 gearing. Additionally, it has a dual-cylinder lift bed, a new clutch, a new water pump, and brand new wheels and tires. Despite its age, the truck has minimal rust, making it a solid example of its model year. However, the instrument cluster is non-functional, with only the fuel and temperature gauges in working order. It does, however, retain its factory tachometer dash. Number 7. 1987 Chevrolet C20. Price $5,500. Featuring a 5.7L throttle body injection (TBI) engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. With 135,000 miles on the odometer, it remains a solid and reliable vehicle. Its exterior is finished in a striking blue color, complemented by a matching blue interior, giving it a timeless appeal. One of its standout qualities is its rust-free body, making it a great candidate for further restoration or customization. While not in perfect condition, it runs well and offers a strong foundation for a new owner looking to enhance its performance and aesthetics. However, it is important to note that the truck comes with a salvage title. Number 8. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,400, with a 4.3L V6 engine is now available for sale. This classic pickup truck has covered 300,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, making it easy to drive. The exterior is finished in a deep burgundy color, while the interior features a brown cabin that adds to its vintage appeal. Running on gasoline, this truck is still capable of getting you where you need to go. Whether you're looking for a dependable work truck or a solid project vehicle to restore, this Silverado is a great option. The seller is looking to sell it as soon as possible, and all offers will be considered in person. Number 9. 1973 Chevrolet C10. Price $10,000. Equipped with a 3-speed manual transmission and powered by a robust 350 V8 engine, it features an eye-catching orange exterior, which, while still presentable, shows signs of wear with some dents and paint in fair condition. Running on gasoline, the truck is fully operational, starting, running, and driving as it should. Despite being a solid and well-built vehicle, it has been sitting idle and collecting dust. With a little attention and care, it could easily be brought back to its full potential, making it a great option for enthusiasts or collectors looking for a classic American truck. Number 10. 1966 Ford F100. Price $7,000. Originally purchased as a restoration project and a toy for the Silver Lake sand dunes. The last time it was driven on the dunes was in 2019, but as the number of seats no longer met the owner's needs, the truck has since been stored in a garage and barn. Despite being in storage, it has been regularly started, moved, and maintained, with several upgrades over time. This F100 is powered by a 460 cubic inch engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission and an NP205 transfer case. It features power steering, power brakes, and front disc brakes, ensuring both ease of handling and reliable stopping power. Originally equipped with a cab-mounted fuel tank, it has been upgraded with a rear-mounted 38-gallon tank. During this fuel system upgrade, the back half of the frame was undercoat while the bed was off. The truck runs and drives well, with a fully functional four-wheel drive system. Its striking blue exterior adds to its classic appeal, making it a well-maintained and capable vintage pickup.